Hi and welcome back to Curly Beauty 13. In today's video, I am unboxing the March 2023 Curlbox. So here's the pamphlet, and it says Curlbox Manifesting Healthy Hair March 2023. It's manifesting season. We're turning our dreams into reality this year, and with the turn of the seasons, this spring is the perfect time to turn our dreams into reality. We're adding our dream curls to our vision board this year, and we've got the perfect brand to help your curls achieve your hair goals. Meet our new curl friend, all about curls. Okay, so I'm going to go through each item and read what it says on the little postcard. The first item I have is the Bye Bye Build Up Pre-Shampoo Treatment. This says, entering this season with a protective style, cleanse your scalp with a targeted nozzle, allows you to get directly to the scalp and remove product buildup. So that is this pre-shampoo treatment. Next is the Low Lather Cleanser. It says, wash off those winter blues with this Low Lather Cleanser. This slightly sudsy formula gently cleanses your scalp and curls while defrizzing your curls. Next is the Deluxe Moisture Divine Treatment. It says, quench dry and brittle hair and strengthen your curls with this rich penetrating treatment. So this is the deep conditioner. Next is the Boosting Foam. It says, spring is all about styling options. Hold and volume are the perks of this product. Get a soft, touchable hold and create more definition and less frizz. Last but not least is this Taming Cream. It says, this multi-purpose hair must-have creates a smooth, soft finish while still defining and lengthening curls for a look that stays all day. So on this bottle, and I believe it says it on all of them, it says free of SLS, SLES, sulfates, silicones, parabens. So that is good. This brand is by Zotos Professional, and it is the All About Curls line. I've never heard of this brand. Let me know if you have heard of this brand. This is very new to me. I'm not sure if they're new or if they've been around, but I am interested in trying these products. The only thing this looks like is missing is a conditioner. Usually I do like to shampoo and then condition my hair and then go into the deep conditioning, but maybe this divine treatment is all you need. So I'll be trying it out and I'll let you know how that goes. Thank you for joining me in unboxing this March 2023 Curlbox. If you would like to see my other unboxings, please click right here. And if you'd like to see my wash and goes, click here. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.